What's up, babies? It's your girl Tati Chanel back with another video, and today's video is pretty exciting just because French tips are in trend right now. They are trending. So today I'm going to show you how to do some French tip nails using only gel polish. Okay, we're not gonna build it, making the little U with acrylic. No, all that hard stuff. No. We're just gonna teach you how to do some French tip nails with gel polish. So here we are. We already did our nail tips, prepped, primed, dehydrator, all that good stuff, and now we're just gonna do the acrylic application. So this color is the Strawberry Milk by me, the one I made, and you can find this on my website. It is currently sold out, so we will be restocking very soon. But I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can just, see me do some acrylic application. Okay, babies, we are back. So the first thing you want to do is grab a good white gel polish. This one's from Nail Addict, and the next one I'm going to show you is a gel pot that I got from AliExpress. But get a very nice white pigmented color. So it's very simple. We're going to start off with the brush from the gel polish and create a U shape. This does not have to be perfect because we're going to go ahead and fix it, but just make your first U. If you get it on the skin, don't worry, we're going to clean it up. So just create that basic U shape as you can see me doing right here. And tilt the nail to the side and then like run the finger slightly, like rotate it, and then it's going to create that like U shape, if that makes sense. So once you have that down, I laid a few drops of my white polish on my table, and I'm going to get a brush. These are from Amazon, and I believe this one is the longest one that comes in the set. And you're going to start connecting the lines. So connecting from the side to the middle. It's better to see as a visual than me telling you, but you'll understand what I mean. You see, we're connecting the U, basically. And babies, that's it. Literally, that's it. And it creates such a pretty French tip. I do this to all my sets. Look at this. It was effortless. And then I go back and I just put more pigment basically on the nail. I have not cured it. It's still wet. I just go back in with the gel polish and kind of fix it up. Now I'm going to do it again. We're going to create that basic U shape. You can see me going kind of fast, but this is actually in real speed. Create that U shape, rotating the finger. If the U is not even, don't worry, we're going to fix it with the brush. And as you can see, I got some on the skin, don't worry, just get a little cleanup brush with some acetone and clean it up. And if the nail U is not even, go ahead and do it with the cleanup brush. It's going to take practice, obviously, like everything, but it's super easy. Then I'm going again to make the color a little bit more opaque. And as you can see on this finger, I did not need a striping brush because I just created it really nice with the gel brush. And there you go, look at that. Make sure to clean up the sides so you won't lose your shape. And look at that. Effortless. I like to cure them maybe like 2 at a time, so since it is gel polish, so it won't be dripping. So after I did the pinky and the ring finger, I cured them for 60 seconds, pulled it out, and then started again with the middle finger. Alright, babies, now I'm going to let you guys watch it so you guys can get more of a visual, perspective. And if you guys have any other questions, feel free to comment in the comments and just let me know if you have any questions on how to do it and anything, and I'll try my best to help all of you. So now that we're done curing for 60 seconds, all the fingers, I'm going back and making the color more pigmented. Since it's white, I like to do at least 2 coats just so the color can be really popping, you know. So I'm just going back in with my gel brush and just making it more opaque. Now that you have that really pretty outline, it's super easy just to go back and like fill in the spaces that don't have that much pigment. And if you mess up, just go in with the acetone and clean up, and you'll still have that guide that you made with the first coat. So this is very, very simple. Alright babies, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing my French tips with gel polish. So let me know what's your favorite, doing it with acrylic or gel polish. I hope this was an easy video and try it out. You never know if you'll like this technique. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and thank you for supporting me. And make sure to click the notification bell so you can know when I post. And I'll see you all next time. Bye babies!